In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record the screen of your iPhone with sound. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center. Here we need to ensure that screen recording shortcut is added to included consoles. If it is not, then just scroll down until you find it here and then tap at the plus button next to it, and that will immediately move it to included consoles, and after that we can drag it up or down to change the order of this shortcuts list. Once it is done, to start recording the screen, we need to swipe down from the top right corner, and that will bring up the control center where we can easily find the screen recording shortcut. However, if we just tap at this shortcut, it will start recording the screen without sound because our microphone by default is always turned off. And that's why before recording a video, first off we need to activate our microphone, and to do that all we have to do is just long press at this shortcut, and down below here we'll find this microphone button. Now it says that microphone is off. However, we can easily activate it by tapping right here, and after that we can start recording the screen by tapping at this button. It will start counting down from 3 to 1, and after that it will start recording the screen. Now we can record our actions, and then to stop screen recording, just swipe down from the top of the screen and tap at this shortcut one more time. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.